Today we are at WelderUp and we've got 6 students who are teaching our intro to MIG.
Hotter it's gonna get.
What I liked about it is the fact that it explained a lot of stuff in more a common type of way instead of textbook.
Your body's your tool on positioning, and positioning to me is everything.
Working with Steve was great. He taught us a lot of stuff, a lot of hands-on, teaching us little tricks of the trade. Made it a lot easier for me.
He's teaching you what he knows. He's been doing it for so long. He knows all the tricks that will get you to another level that you're not going to get to without somebody helping you.
We've learned a lot. I've gotten more confident in my MIG and stick welding, and we've just learned like the plasma cutter, and it's been great. I would totally do this class again.
Now you're welding, baby. Now you're welding.